Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Page layout defines how we are representing data to users. It will specify controllers how an object should be displayed in the profile. By default, for every object, one default page layout is created by Salesforce. Page layout controls which field should be displayed on the UI user interface, in which order they should be displayed, in which format they should be displayed, which button should be displayed, what related list should be displayed. Steps to create page layout. Setup Object Manager, choose Object, Page Layouts, New. Step 1, select existing page layout name. Step 2, provide page layout name. Step 3, click Save. So let's see an example. Create page layout for candidate object. Name candidate page layout new and assign to system administrator new profile. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So just click on object manager, choose the object, click on that particular. So in the candidates detail, just click on page layouts. So this candidate page layout is created by Salesforce at the time of object creation by Salesforce. So all if we need to create our custom page layout, we can create by clicking on new button. As an option, you may select an existing layout to clone. If you create a page layout without cloning, your page layout will not include the standard sections whose names are translated for your international users. So I am selecting the existing page layout, candidate layout, and here I am providing the page layout name, candidate page layout new. Hit the save button. So now our new page layout has been created. So on this page we are seeing some of the fields. We are seeing the fields name, phone, email and address. And for the existing page layout, this is the visibility what we are seeing in the system administrator profile. But make a difference between this system administrator profile and the new layout what we are going to assign with system administrator new profile what we had created for user A account. So making the difference between the layout, I am putting this all the fields at left side only. So just hit the save button. Now we have two page layouts. One is candidate page layout that is created by default Salesforce at the time of object creation, and candidate page layout new is created by us as per our business need. Also we need to assign this custom page layout to one of our profile. So the table below shows the page layout assignment for different profiles. So at the left hand side we are seeing all the profiles, and on the right hand side there is a default page layout, candidate layout is there. So just click on edit assignment. I am going with system administrator new profile what we had created in our previous session. So for this profile also candidate layout is visible, but I don't want to see this candidate layout for this profile. Just click on this page layout to see, choose candidate page layout new. See it's changed, and hit the save button. Now the users who are using system administrator new profile, they will see this page layout. So to verify how it's going to look, first we are going to see the previous page layout, candidate layout. So for that just I am going to click on app launcher and just open employee management system app. Click on candidates object. So we have a record CID candidate ID 0003. Click on this. So this is the candidate layout we are seeing. To verify uh, how the page layout looks like, just click on setup. Expand users under administration. Click users. So I am going to log in with this user A account, user A at network.com. Here profile, this user A is using system administrator new profile what we had assigned right now. Just log in with this username with any new browser. So I am going to log in with this username and password in his browser. So this is user A. We can verify by clicking on view profile. So let's click on candidate, click all. So here also we are seeing candidate ID 0003. So see here our page layout is designed like this only. A compact layout displays record key fields at a glance in the Salesforce mobile app Lightning experience. It can have a maximum of 10 fields. In order to deploy compact layout assignment, we need to include custom object and record type in our metadata filter. Steps to create compact layout: setup, object manager, choose object, compact layouts, new. Step 1, enter compact layout name. Step 2, select fields to display. Step 3, click save. Let's see an example. Create custom layout for candidate object and name it candidate custom layout new. So let's log into our Salesforce account. So click on object manager. Open candidate. In the candidate details, just click on compact layouts. This is system default already provided by Salesforce. So let's see what is providing in system default. So click on app launcher, search for our app employee management system, click on candidates. It is a compact layout data. So to create our own compact layout, just click on new. So here I had provided the name candidate compact layout new. Select compact layout fields, available fields, selected fields. So name, email and phone. Click save. The compact layout has been created. So by default this is assigned for this system administrator profile. Click on compact layout assignment. Click edit assignment. So primary compact layout is system default. I am making it candidate compact layout new. Hit the save button. So again come back to our application. Just reload this page. Click on candidate. Click on particular record. So now we are able to see the changes here. Name is there, then email, and then phone is displaying over here. So this is the compact layout. Record types in Salesforce allows us to have different business processes, picklist values and page layouts to different users based on profile. It will extend page layout by defining different business process. If we want to assign more than one profile, we will use record type. Record type are controlled by profile. Based on record type, we can control options in picklist field. Steps to create record type. Setup, custom object, record type, new. Step 1. Enter record type name. Step 2. Enable active checkbox. Step 3. Choose profile for which record type should be visible. Step 4. Select assign page layout for the profile. Step 5. Save. Let's see an example. Create a record type on candidate object by the name candidate record type. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So click on Object Manager. Search for candidate object. In the candidate details, here record type is there. Click on this. So a record type, now there is no record type at all. To create a new one, click new. So enter a name and description for the new record type. The new record type will include all the picklist values from the existing record type selected below. After saving the new record type, you will be able to customize the picklist values. So here I had provided record type label, candidate record type, name it's taking by default by adding underscore. Active is already checked. So at the left side we are seeing all the profile name. These many profiles are there. And at the right side we are seeing make available and make default. So I am unchecking this, and this record type I am making it available for system administrator and system administrator new profile. System administrator profile is provided by Salesforce. We can't delete this one, but system administrator new profile we had created. Click next. Page layout. Select the page layout that users with this profile see for records with this record type. After saving, choose the picklist values that are available with this record type. So I am not going with all profiles. Clicking on apply a different layout for each profile, and so this page layout I want to visible for only system administrator new profile. So candidate page layout new. Hit the save button. So again click on record type. Just click on page layout assignment. Now we are able to see for the system administrator new profile, candidate page layout new is there in the master as well as candidate record type. So just click on app launcher, open our app, employee management system, clicking on new tab. So like this we are seeing the page layout. Thank you.